how to add education on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here in audience and visibility section, you can see here the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. Here in about and education section, you can see here the button. So you can tap the add college. So if you add college, so if you want to add high school, so you can tap this button. In the store, I'll show you how to add college. Okay, so tap add college, and now you can set here the college name. So for my example, I tap this, and now you can select your school. So for my example, so okay, this is an example only. So Stockton, California. So you can tap the school, and the concentration, this is optional only. So graduated, so you can tap the graduated box on the right side if you graduate on this college, graduate on this school. This is an example only, and you can see here the start date and end date. So for my example, from year 2022, tap OK. The end date is now 2025. So you can also add a month. So for my example, March and January. And also you can add a day. For my example, 1 and 7 the day. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully add college. And also you can set the information of your profile by tap the public button here. So you can set into public, friend, or only me. So for my example, I set into friend. And after that, tap the save button below to save your add education. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully add education on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.